Build something online, a page, a brand, a side business, anything. The internet is genuinely creating wealth for people who move, not for people who scroll. If you're only consuming, you're already behind. Try a combat sport, boxing, MMA, something with real resistance. It teaches you to stay calm when your body is screaming to panic. That skill transfers everywhere. Play strategy games, chess, puzzles, whatever forces deliberate thinking. You start making calculated moves instead of emotional ones. Record yourself speaking, then watch it back. Your tone, your pauses, where your confidence drops. It's uncomfortable, that's the point. Serious, work on how you communicate. If you can't express an idea clearly, people tune out. Not because they're harsh, but because clarity is rare and they notice when it's missing. Run. Your mind will tell you to stop well before your body needs to. Learning to ignore that voice is the whole lesson. Pick a skill that actually pays. Coding, AI, content creation, and go deep. Scattered effort is just slow failure. Study persuasion, not manipulation. Understanding how people make decisions is one of the most useful things you can learn. Assertive. Learn to negotiate. Life doesn't reward what you deserve. It rewards what you ask for. Staying quiet is always a concession. Train your body. Gym, calisthenics, whatever you'll stick with. Physical strength and mental discipline build each other. Walk without your phone. No music, no podcast. Just your own thoughts for 20 minutes. If that sounds unbearable, that's your answer. Write every day, even badly. Writing forces your thinking to become specific, and specific thinking solves problems. Read with a purpose, not random articles, books, long-form work, things that actually reshape how you think. Learn video editing. You already spend hours watching content. That time can become a skill instead of a habit. Journal honestly. Skip the forced optimism. Write what actually happened and what you actually felt. That's where self-knowledge starts. You don't need all 15. Pick 2 or 3, stay consistent for months, and see what shifts. Nothing changes from watching someone else do it.